Welcome back, guys. I didn't wait for the countdown. I'm sorry for that, but I will start to talk for next 15 minutes, and I won't read your comment. But before that, let me know that you can hear me, okay? And make sure there is 20 likes. If until 20 likes, I'm not gonna start to talk. That's for sure. So I can see near about 30 people are watching. So you have to give me 20 likes. Then I will start to talk. And when I'll start to talk, I would love to finish my talking before 2 p.m. In this talking, I would love to show you that history repeats. At the morning session, I talked about this sell side liquidity and that sell side liquidity. I frame my trade depending on that two sell side liquidity. So at the PM session, I would love to show you the same thing again, again, and again. History repeats. So I will talk about this, but before that, I need to see that you give me 30 likes. Sorry, 20 likes, at least 20 likes. Okay. So until I don't get the 20 likes, I'm not gonna start to talk. And when I will start to talk, I'm not going to read your comment. So yeah, that's all. Okay. 13 likes. Still, I need 7 likes. Then I will start to talk. Otherwise, I'm not gonna talk about this. And make sure that you have pen and paper with you so that you can take the notes. What I will tell you here, this is the story or the price reading. That is the exactly the price reading. Every single day, same thing again, again, and again. But please, before that, I need 20 likes. If you don't want to give me the likes, no problem. Just leave my stream. I don't need you. Okay, I really don't need you. I'm sorry for being rude, but yep. I need 20 likes before starting. I got 15 like. I need 5 more likes. Faster and faster. I have only until 2 p.m. Okay, because 2 p.m. is FOMC. I have to outline the FOMC run as well. So please make sure that you give me 20 likes. I need one more likes. Make sure you give me the one more likes. Okay. If you don't want, I will wait. No problem. I know what I know. I want to share. No problem. I can I can wait. 36 people and 19 likes. I need one more likes. Okay, I got 24 likes. Thank you. So first of all, price came, this is dollar index, price came to this last fair value gap over here. This is the last fair value gap and the inversion fair value gap over here. Now this is not inversion fair value gap. The last fair value gap turns into as a support. Okay, so this resistance fair value gap turns into support fair value gap. Don't need that on. See over here, this is the last last fair value gap. Price came here, started to go high. That's all. Okay, for the dollar index. So dollar index is bullish. I will be here as bearish. Okay, now I don't need this 15-minute chart. Instead of that, I will stay here for sometimes in this 1-minute chart. So I will be in 1-minute chart. Let me make it compromise. And please don't write anything. Okay, for this time, please don't write anything. Let me finish my talking, then I will read your comment. Now over here, see this sell side liquidity. This all the sell side liquidity. Around 9:30, market failed to take this sell side liquidity. Went higher, came back again, make this sell side liquidity over here. Okay. This fair value gap was holding the price. That's why I was confident that market is going higher to take this buy side liquidity. There was the buy side liquidity. So let me mark this buy side liquidity. That was the buy side liquidity. Market is going to take this buy side liquidity uh, before taking the sell side liquidity. How did I know that market is not going to take this sell side liquidity? I didn't know that. I was expecting market is not going to take this sell side liquidity. Why? Because market didn't take this sell side liquidity. So this history should repeat over here. This was very clean sell side liquidity, but it should not be taken before going higher and take the buy side liquidity. Why is that? Let me show you that. Here, this was the buy side liquidity. Okay, around that area, that was the buy side liquidity. Market didn't take this sell side liquidity. Instead of that, it has taken the buy side liquidity. So it didn't take the sell side liquidity. Instead of that, it take the buy side liquidity. After taking the buy side liquidity, went lower, failed to take this sell side liquidity, went higher, make another buy side liquidity. consolidate around that area, make another sell side liquidity, come back again, fail to take this sell side liquidity. I am expecting market is not going to take this sell side liquidity. If market fail to take this sell side liquidity, instead of that, give me a nice market structure shift, fair value gap. I would love to take the buy, and I'm going to believe that market is going to take this buy side liquidity. Why? Because I saw this happened previously. It should repeat over here. Okay, so I got this. After this, I need to come in 15-minute chart now. Now look over here. Market has closed above this buy side liquidity. See, market closed above this buy side. Is that wick or the body? When I have seen this, market has closed above this buy side liquidity, I told that in my opinion, market has done its higher job. Now it's time to look for sell side liquidity. Okay. Now it's time to look for sell side liquidity, because I saw from 15-minute chart, market has taken the buy side liquidity by body, not by wick. So let's go to 1-minute chart. Now, when market came here, what do you see? You have this very clean buy side liquidity. Is that buy side liquidity? Anybody has any confusion about this buy side liquidity? Nobody should have any confusion. So it has this buy side liquidity. So market left that buy side liquidity, went lower. How far it went? It has taken this sell side liquidity. Is that something related? I mean, did you see something? Is that similar to something? Remember over here, before taking the sell side liquidity, market has taken the buy side liquidity. Before taking this buy side liquidity, market went lower, take this sell side liquidity. Until now, is that same? Absolutely, it's same. What happened after that? Do I have any other sell side liquidity? I have this sell side liquidity. Now market over here, market has build the buy side liquidity, and over here I have already the sell side liquidity. So I don't need to see that market is going to make the sell side liquidity. I don't need that, because here this is all-time high. I don't have any previous price action, but here this is not all-time high, so I have this sell side liquidity beforehand. After taking the buy side liquidity here, okay, after taking the buy side liquidity, market went lower. Why? To take this sell side liquidity. See, it tried to take this sell side liquidity. So after taking this sell side liquidity, market is going higher. Where? To take this buy side liquidity. Is it going to take this buy side liquidity? Will it be able to take this buy side liquidity? It was able to take the sell side liquidity? No. It should be able to take this buy side liquidity? No. Can it take it? Absolutely it can. If it can, then you will think that, oh, okay, this whole history is not going to repeat over here. But if you say it failed to take this buy side liquidity, like here, it failed to take this sell side liquidity, what should happen? It should go higher. It should fall. This was the lunch hour. You don't need to participate in this price action. Here, you don't need to participate. The way you didn't participate in this area, you didn't participate, right? Then market made the buy side liquidity. I mean, it went lower, it come back again lower, make another sell side liquidity. Here, market went higher, make another buy side liquidity. Can you see it? Another buy side liquidity. This buy side, sorry, it should be the buy side liquidity. This buy side liquidity. Now look over here, this is the buy side liquidity, this is the sell side liquidity. Same thing again. Market tried to take this sell side liquidity. Did it take it? No, it didn't. So market is going higher. In this area, if you would love to take a sell, if you find a sell setup, it's cool. No sell setup, no problem. It is lunch hour, I'm not interested to take entry. Instead of that, market went lower. If it has taken this sell side liquidity, so your job is done. Like here, it has taken this buy side liquidity, so your job is done. But here, market didn't take this sell side liquidity. Instead of that, it started to go higher. Can it take this buy side liquidity? Is it possible to take this buy side liquidity? Look over here. Did it take this sell side liquidity? No. Where did it came? To this only fair value gap. Where is your last fair value gap? There is your last fair value gap. Price came here. Where? Exactly to that last fair value gap. Now, brother, you told us not to frame a trade from 1-minute chart. I also told you that today is Wednesday. Always believe that market will make some one minute liquidity, and then it will take this 1-minute liquidity, then it will fall. Where is my 1-minute liquidity? See, this high and that high, they are relatively equal highs. At the same time, this is the shallow run. If you see the shallow run, mark the high. Please guys, don't comment right now. I will read your comment. Okay, let me finish this thing first. This is your buy side liquidity. Market has taken the buy side liquidity. All you need to do should wait for this type of clean setup. Was there a clean setup? So look for the clean setup. Don't think market is going to take this buy side liquidity. Why? Because previously you have seen market didn't take this buy sell side liquidity before taking the buy side liquidity. So over here you should think market is not going to take the buy side liquidity before taking this sell side liquidity. This one is taken already. The way it has taken this one. So then it has taken the highest high. Here it is going to take this obvious liquidity, or the, I mean, whatever liquidity you say, this clean strongest liquidity, it is going to take this liquidity. Now, did it take the buy side liquidity? Absolutely. Was there any market structure shift? Absolutely, I have this market structure shift. Do I have any fair value gap? I have a very nice fair value gap. Did it trade that fair value gap immediately? Absolutely, it has traded that fair value gap immediately. You don't need to take entry to this fair value gap. You just don't need to take entry over here. By the way, I actually tweeted to by showing this fair value gap, but it's okay. Okay, if you don't want to take the liquidity, I mean entry over there, no problem. But look over here. After shifting the market, is that a perfect market structure shift? The very, very, very perfect market structure shift. Fair value gap, immediate reaction, absolutely. Take your buy. Where? Here. Where should be your stop loss? Above this fair value gap, this inversion fair value gap. Oh brother, I can put my stop loss over here. No, you can't put your stop loss over there. You have to put your stop loss over there. The best is to put your stop loss over here. This is the best, because market can come back again to tap to the low of this last fair value gap from 1 minute chart. It can reach until that area. That is the best, but it is going to be high risk. So I would love to show you this fair value gap should be covered at least. Okay, where should be your target? This sell side liquidity should be your target. You are going to think that market is going to take this sell side liquidity. No brother, I would love to come here. This sell side liquidity, I would love to go over there. Never ever. This is the extreme liquidity. You can't hold your trade until that area. You just can't do it. You have to close your trade over there. If you have more than one contract, then you can target over there, but you have to take the partial over there, and you have to put your stop loss to the break even. I never recommend you to go for that. Instead of that, I would love to recommend you to hold your trade until that area. Still, this is 28 handle, not huge, but still, you say 1:4, near about 4. Is that hindsight? Check my Twitter, you will understand it is hindsight or not. So here the history, whatever I have seen over there, I just reversed it over here. Same thing happened again. Can it take that buy side liquidity? Absolutely it can. If it has taken this buy side liquidity, no, I'm not going to think that this history is going to repeat over here. I am just leave this go. I mean, let this go. Instead of that, I will wait for better price action, and then I will take my decision in other way. So this is how you will read the price. What happened previously? Then you will expect this thing is going to happen again. Some days ago, I have shown you something again from the Asia session until the end of the PM session. One new day opening gap, the same thing to the another new day opening gap. It kept doing the same thing again and again. So you have to understand the fact. If you can understand the fact, you are done. You don't need to worry about that anymore. So I'm done with this. If anyone has any kind of confusion, now you can ask me the question, because I have done with this, and I would love to now outline the FOMC news. As we have the Nvidia, I would love to see market will, if market stay here below here, Nvidia will send the price until this buy side liquidity. If market stay, I mean it went higher, take the buy side liquidity, Nvidia will send the price lower. It's my opinion. Okay, so that is all. I am going to remove this sell side liquidity as it has taken already, and I will just clear all of this area. Okay, I'll just clear it. A lot of line over there, so I don't want to keep them. Can I take a buy over here? You should not take a buy. You just should not take a buy just before FOMC. But it's look like a very nice buy setup, right? Market has taken the sell side liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap. Brother, should I go for that? No, you should not. This is FOMC. Don't take risk. What you can do this: put your tool to that fair value gap, cover this low, mark the target the buy side liquidity. So I will go until this buy side liquidity. I'll just cover that. Okay, here let me enter. But you can't push your button. You can just outline it like this way, but you should not push your button. Here is the fair value gap. You got the market structure shift. Now you can think it will go higher. If it doesn't work, no problem. You are wrong. You were wrong. No problem. Wait until the manipulation, then the expansion. Still, I'm believing that market will go higher. This can happen around the news time. Okay, it can happen. So that's why you should not push your button. Instead of that, you should read the price, or you can use that tool. Thank you. Can you show your journal method? I don't do journal, Babu. I don't do it, brother. I used to do it, but right now I don't do it. Babu, okay, that's something that a lot of people don't know, and it's very important. Okay, 1K follows on Twitter, making you mark every day. Thanks a lot for it, and congrats, brother. Thank you, Leonardo. Thank you so much, brother. Great explanation. Just got on. Thank you, Jerry. Yes, Leonardo, I want to improve my. Okay, we have sell side at 18731.50. 18731.50. 731.50. Oh, okay, yeah, I saw this. Okay, thank you, brother. Okay, it can be taken, but I was little bullish actually. But whatever, I will remove this one and I will keep that one. Around FOMC news, you should not push your button. That's my opinion. Now, if anyone has any question, you can ask me about the things I have already explained over there and the setup, everything. Okay, if anyone has any question, you can ask me. Dollar index is going higher, so it is going lower as well. Perfect, no problem. Let him go. I took that short with my box thing. Then congratulations, Peter. Remember this BPR, it can be triggered. This BPR by the news, it can be triggered. Should I go for sell? No, I should not go for sell. Right now, I should not go for sell. I just can't go for sell. If any of you would love to take sell, you can go for that, brother. I don't have any problem, but I'm not interested to do anything right now. I will wait. I'm a little confused. Could you please explain? You were told that we should look to sell after the BPR cross. Yeah, I told that. So after the BPR cross, you should look for sell. I told that. What is wrong with that? I mean, right now, I'm not interested to look for buy or sell. That was just my expectation. I thought that market will go higher, but it didn't go. It's okay. But around news time, no, I'm not interested to look for. I mean, to push my button. All I can do just use this tool or something like that. But no, news trading is absolutely gambling. You can look for sell. Obviously, this is the place where you should look for sell. Just remember this BPR area, it can reach until this BPR now. This BPR. But you should not take entry around this type of situation. Why you should not take take any entry? Just look the run. See what a run. What an expansion from 15 minutes chart. Just look from 15 minutes chart. What an expansion. After this huge expansion, you should not take the part in here. You should not do that. If you want, you can, but I'm not interested. Okay. DXY was a good indicator on this one. DXY was going higher. The school. When market has taken the liquidity, sell side liquidity, I am really curious what it wants to do right now, because overall I'm bullish. Okay, overall I'm bullish until this line. I'm bullish, so I'll be very careful about the lower run. I told that when market will go below this BPR, you are able to take a sell until the sell side liquidity is taken. So when the sell side liquidity has taken already, I am not interested to go for sell anymore. Okay, but yeah, absolutely you can go for sell until this BPR. I will see. I will wait for better price action and then I will engage in the market again. First, it has to tell me where it wants to go. Is that clear, brother? Who actually asked me the question? Am I bullish? No. Am I bearish? No. I'm nothing. I'm just waiting. First, I need to confirm that really market would love to go higher or market would love to go lower. That's all I need to fix first. Without this, I just can't take entry any way. No way. There is no way to taking entry right now. This is the part where you should learn how to read the price action. Right now, market has done its most obvious job for the sell side liquidity. So sell side liquidity has taken. Should you go for sell now? I don't think so. I don't see any other sell side liquidity around that area. No other sell side liquidity. Now, this BPR is not sell side liquidity. It's an imbalance. Always remember, market always go for liquidity, not for imbalance to balance it. Market always go for liquidity. Now, this imbalance helps us to frame the trade, to fix the bias. So when market go for some kind of area what is imbalance, we use that imbalance for make sure that our bias is right. So this part you have to understand perfectly. If you look over here, you have buy side liquidity. This is the buy side liquidity. Let me mark the buy side liquidity. So you have very clean buy side liquidity. I don't have any sell side liquidity, but I have very clean buy side liquidity around that area. Okay, so if you ask me, yeah, I'm little interested about buy but not sell, as the sell side liquidity has taken. If I would love to take sell, I need something that will tell me that yeah, really market is going lower. For example, see this bearish parallel gap. When market will be in this bearish parallel gap, then if 1 minute chart give me any kind of sell setup, that will be a curious thing for me. Otherwise, I'm not interested for sell. Hi brother, perfectly outlined. PM session, move before lunch, it is equal precision. Yeah, but I also outlined the setup to my Twitter after the lunch. I guess you miss it, brother. There was that. What do you see? Exactly over there. Here. And you can see, boom. Why do you use send back option in the settings of the drawing? Okay. uh, if I send it back, then the candle seems look, I mean, it looks like clear. Okay, right now this gap is in, I mean, above the candle. If I send it back, now look, it is behind the candle, so it's easier for me to see the wick and the body, everything. Okay, it's easier for me. For example, I mean, why it's not okay? I don't know. Next time when I will just mark it, you will see it. If the box is above the candle, you see it's look like this. I mean, not clean. So that's why I send it back. You will understand that when I will mark this one again. Look over here on the left. Look, the wick is behind the fair value gap. So if I send it back, then the wick is clear to see. Okay, that's why. We left T2. Boom. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you so much. Guys, I have 92 people watching. I need 50 likes, so I need 7 more likes. I'm sorry because I always ask for likes. I'm extremely sorry for that. But yeah, I need likes. I have nothing to do. Give me the likes, please. Make it 50 at least. And if any of you are new to my channel, welcome. This will be valid order block when the body will close above that. Until then, it's not valid order block. Keep that in your mind. I need some subscriber so that I can touch 5800. I need just 9 more subscriber. If any of you are new, you can subscribe to my channel. But it's up to you. Like is obvious. You have to give me the like. It's forbidden. Okay, you have to give me that. But subscription, it's up to you. Now, guys, I would love to say yesterday was a bad day for me. Monday was, not good, not bad. It was medium. Today is the day I can make thousand of the dollar. I can make it. Now, if you have watched my weekly analysis video, in that video, clearly I told that don't trade Monday and Tuesday. Wait until Wednesday. You will get better price action in Wednesday. Though we have the Nvidia earning, still we have managed some successful trade, in my opinion. Okay, we have managed some successful trade. So every day is not for trading. Every time is not for trading. First, every day is not for trading, and every time in a day is not for trading. Try to understand that. If you can understand that small part, you are done. You are already a profitable trader. Can it go lower? Absolutely it can. Can it go higher? Absolutely it can. All I need and confirmation where it wants to go. How do I know that? Right now there is no setup, nothing that can tell me that market is going higher or lower. Not from 15-minute chart, not from 1-minute chart, nothing. So what I will do, I will wait. I will wait to see something that will tell me that market is going in that way. For now, I have marked this fair value gap, this inversion fair value gap. Not inversion, but I am just calling this as an inversion fair value gap, and this fair value gap. The only fair value gap over here, entry fair value gap, obviously entry fair value gap, which is very important. So any of this fair value gap, if they can hold the price, send it back above this breaker block. If it can send the price above this breaker block, I will be little confident to take an entry depending on that breaker block. At the same time, this bearish fair value gap from 15-minute chart is extremely important. So I will keep that in my mind. This fair value gap can send the price lower again. So this is the time to be careful here, because your run has done over there. Did you miss it? If you have missed that very nice setup, you should wait, okay, because the obvious setup has done already. So whatever I will do now, it is extremely risky right now. Now you can say, brother, it's silver bullet. I don't give a shit of silver bullet. In my opinion, a lot of people even doesn't know what is silver bullet. Silver bullet is extremely hard to trade. You guys will heard something differently with other people. I mean, other YouTubers. They will say you that silver bullet is the easiest one or something like that. Blah 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 blah. And I tell that silver bullet is extremely hard. So I'm sorry for that, but it's true. If you would love to trade through silver bullet, you have to understand whole price action. Even I don't understand the whole price action. So in my opinion, silver bullet trading is extremely hard, extremely difficult. It can be easier for you. I'm not gonna argue with you, brother, but that's my opinion. 15-minute fair gap to BPR. What do you think? What do you say, brother? 15-minute fair gap to BPR? It can go, brother. I just don't know what is going to happen. So I have to wait for a better price action. So I need to know first what it wants to go. Why I'm not bearish? The reason is I don't have any sell side liquidity. No more sell side liquidity. Here, see this 50-minute last parabolic gap, price is traded at that 50-minute last parabolic gap. Let me mark the 50-minute last parabolic gap over here. No, brother, it went much more lower. Much more lower. I know. Now, from 1 minute chart, just look this fake breakout. This is just a fake breakout. So far, this 15-minute last parabolic gap hold the price, sending it back. Now, I'm not interested to take sell to take buy because I have already got an expansion. See this expansion? It's the extreme expansion. So I need more confirmation to mark buy or sell. At the same time, don't forget about the theme of Wednesday. Don't forget about this, okay? Please. I agree. Thank you, Gupta. Purva Sherpa. Brother, you please do it for me. Please do it for me. I'm a noob, okay? I know nothing about this price action, so whatever I know, I'm just gonna use that. If you have any better idea, just give me that idea, okay? Just you see that SMT and tell me that now I got the SMT, I'm looking for buy or something like that, or you are looking for sell, whatever you are looking for, just give me that. Make sure you pushed the like button, please, okay? Please make sure that there is a SMT. Okay, so you think it's going lower or it's going higher, brother? Let me know that. It will be easier for me to frame another trade, okay? So please let me know that what is going to do. I mean, what it is going to do. It is going lower or higher, depending on your SMT. I guess I have to stop looking at the comment right now. Maybe I will close the chat or I will stop looking at your comment. Do nothing over here. After the expansion, always remember, after the expansion, always expect consolidation. After any kind of expansion, always expect consolidation. Always. I mean always. See this expansion, expect consolidation. Little consolidation, no problem, but expect the consolidation first. So don't try to push your button around that area. Instead, wait. First, let market decide where it wants to go. If it wants to go lower, there is no sell side liquidity. Remember, there is no sell side liquidity. If market would love to go higher, you have lot of opportunity to take buy, as you have very clean buy side liquidity. So yeah, make sure that you are waiting, you have patience enough. Bullish SMT, the school SMT with yes or YM. Okay, SMT Nasdaq, I guess. Guys, I am really fed up. Do I really need the SMT? I mean, for trading? I don't think so. I really don't think so. But if it helps you, go for that. If another candle close below this parallel gap, then I will call this parallel gap is broken. That is a nice sign for sell. But not, don't push your button over here, okay? It's an extreme request to all of you. Please don't push your button. Don't push it. It's not a good place to take sell. Don't push your button. I'll tell you, okay? If I see something very cool, I will tell you. Don't worry, I will tell you, brother. And I'm not reading your comment, guys. I'm extremely sorry because I think that I'm okay with my price action, so I don't need to add something over here. If you want, I can add more and more, but it will make this complicated. Just complicated. I don't want to make this complicated. That's all, okay? I just don't want to make it complicated. That's all. Just don't push your button over here, even not for sell. Even if it reach until this BPR, don't push your button. The reason is, look, market is not taking the buy side liquidity. Every single time market is leaving the buy side liquidity. So you don't know exactly from where market will reverse and take the buy side liquidity. You just don't know. I don't know. So around this type of situation, don't push your button. Instead of that, wait. Just wait for a better price action. Let the let one setup go. Okay, just if one setup is gone, you are not going to lose anything. Why you are just so hurry to push your button? Don't push your button over there. It's broken. I'm going to remove this last parallel from 15-minute chart. Let's see how it reacts. By the way, I got 9-3, so I need 7 more people to touch 5800. Not bad. Wait a little. Is there anything wrong for waiting? I don't think so. Just wait a little bit. I believe that you will see something very cool, okay? Very clean price action. So don't just chase the price. Over here, if you just take any entry, that will be a chasing price. I don't want to chase the price right now. And yeah, we will just see how it reacts. And that if it keep going lower, you really don't have anything to do. Market didn't take the buy side liquidity. Just look over here how this thing is falling. Start from there. Buy side liquidity, buy side liquidity. Here it has taken some buy side liquidity, made the relatively equal highs again. Okay, so this high and that high, still buy side liquidity, then falling, falling, falling. Just don't push your button around that area. Keep wait. First let it decide where it wants to go. This is called trading, guys. Oh man, if you take the sell, I'm not interested to take sell, man, to be honest. Okay, let's open the comment box. I guess you stop to indicate me something, I guess. Okay, I think he's talking about 15-minute bullish SMT between ES and NQ. Okay, he can be. He doesn't trade SMT. Thank you, Peter. I do trade SMT, but right now I don't need SMT as it's not absolutely important. Okay, SMT is kind of a confirmation. So over here I can take the confirmation from 15-minute chart. I don't need SMT. SMT is extremely important where market is in range bound. In that type of situation, SMT is extremely important. But if it is not range bound, instead of that, it's a, you see this trend. I mean trend is trend something like that. In this type of situation, SMT is not important at all. On the last hour, okay, you are waiting for the last hour. That's cool, brother. Oh man, I could take the sale over there and I could hold my trade until the area. As I told you, if any of you are interested to take sell, you are welcome to go for that. I'm not interested. That's all. 100 people are watching. Thank you guys, whoever here. Welcome to my channel. If you keep coming, I believe that you will learn something from here. You will get something at least, which is valuable. Is there anyone who is new to my channel? I mean, who has subscribed today? As I have seen somebody has subscribed today. So is there anyone who subscribed just today? Give me a hello, please. I need to see your name. On our fair value gap, if on our candle closes, then will the 6 candle be breaker? I don't have the 1 hour chart. This one. uh Hello bro. I guess brother, I should tell you about the breaker block. I have already made a video about the word breaker block, so please watch that video. It will help you to understand what is breaker block. Now if you have already watched that video, then you know that this run didn't fill any unfilled fair value gap, so I don't see this is a breaker block. Okay, in ICT's video, or ICT has talked about breaker block, but he didn't tell where you should look for the breaker block. He didn't talk about this. So I saw something that repeats again and again. Then I made some rules for me for marking the breaker block. In that way, I have made that video breaker block. You will get that in my study folder: order block, breaker block, mitigation block, rejection block. These four blocks, I tried to explain them in a very clean way. Please watch those video. I believe that your doubt will be clear. By the way, that is not my breaker block. I am new. Hey Peter, welcome to my channel, brother. How are you, by the way? Thank you, Peter, for that playlist link. Yeah, guys, that is the playlist link. If anyone is interested, please click on that link and watch the video from there. Okay, it will help you, brother. Trust me. Welcome, Peter. I never seen you before. Was the study folder, please? Thank you, Peter, for posting that breaker block video. Great. Thank you, Buro. How are you, by the way, Buro? I always see your name on my Twitter and very rare in YouTube channel, and I'm extremely sorry, brother, because I'm reading the chat. The reason is I have nothing to do except waiting. Now if I keep quiet, it's very boring for me, so I keep reading your comment and waiting. So, and right now I don't have anything to do because market is just falling, so I am not interested to chase the price. It is called chasing price. I'm not interested to look for a buy from here as well. I am not interested to look for a buy, not even look for a sell. It is kind of a situation where market has already lived a long area. It has lived a long area. You have to wait. There is nothing to do except waiting. You need a consolidation first. After the consolidation, you will start to look for another setup. So in this type of run, you are unable to do anything. So yeah, that's all. Mitigation and order block videos need to be updated. Okay, okay, I will try them. What one do I start with? Ali, every single video from study folder is different. Everything represents different things. Okay, so you can't connect them with one another. Like order block, you can't connect order block with market structure shift. You just can't connect market structure shift with breakaway gap. So everything is different. Okay. I'm here every day, brother. By the way, I didn't know that, Guru. I didn't see your name long time in my life. It's been a long time. I didn't know that, Guru. Really, I didn't know that because I don't see your name. My crush ignores me just like he too ignores SMT lol. Brother, I really ignore SMT. I'm extremely sorry, brother. I'm here every day. Owen, I saw your name before, brother. Definitely the best teacher on YouTube. Okay, that's a big compliment, by the way. Thank you for that compliment, brother. Brother, try to understand, every time is not for trading. Now here it is not for trading time. You see market is falling, right? You can say, brother, I would love to take my sell from this fair value gap, and market is going lower until this bpr. I know that I am not interested to push my button around that area, even though it is very clean to me. Even though it is very clean to me, I am not gonna push my button. This is called trading. If you wanna be a professional trader, you should not look for anything right now. After a run, if you have pen and paper with you, write it down. After a run, always wait for a consolidation. Always wait for a little consolidation. That means sideways. Always wait for the sideways. Then you will take decision. What is going to happen after a run? At the same time, this is Wednesday, but it didn't follow the Wednesday rule as well. What is the Wednesday rule? I would love to take sell over here, okay? Around this area, I would love to take sell if I saw this. 1 minute liquidity, market has taken the buy side liquidity, market structure shape, fair value gap, boom. If I saw this, just this run, I would take sell over there. Now look over here, what happened? Market went lower. Yeah, it consolidated, but didn't take the buy side liquidity. It didn't take the buy side liquidity. Boom. So I am not interested to take sell over there. Then what happened? Market again make the buy side liquidity, but didn't take the buy side liquidity. Without taking the buy side liquidity, market fall. Again, trade there, boom. But it didn't take the buy side liquidity. So I can't take entry over here. Can I take a buy? No, I can't take a buy as well. Here, you just can't take a buy after a big fall. How can you take a buy, brother? How can you do that? It can easily be a retracement. It can easily be a liquidity run before falling more. So you just can't take a sell as well. Either it has to take the buy side liquidity, or it has to show you some willingness to go higher. How do you know that? It will make a 50-minute bullish fair value gap. If you want to reverse, long time ago, I told that after if you are looking for a bull run and you saw a big fall until some kind of 50-minute last fair value gap or entry fair value gap, whatever it is, now you would love to take a buy. You have to wait for a bullish fair value gap. If you remember that or not, I don't know. But if you want to take a buy after a big fall, you have to wait for a bullish fair value gap. If you want to take sell, you have to wait for a bearish fair value gap to be traded. Now, Wednesday and Thursday is little different. Here, you don't need to depend on that bearish fair value gap, but there has to be any kind of sell side liquidity. I don't have any sell side liquidity, so make sure uh, there is liquidity. When market is falling, I don't have any sell side liquidity, nothing at all. So I'm unable to take sell right now from here. Guys, do you understand what I tell you? I keep repeating. Do you really get my point or not? Tell me that, okay? I believe that most of you are here only to learn, and that's why I'm trying to explain everything. If you are not interested of learning, my advice is don't waste your time over here. Please don't waste your time. I guess in YouTube you will find some better YouTuber or price action trader or reader or whatever you say. They're the best. Okay, I know nothing about price action. So if you really would love to learn something from here, you have to have the pen and paper with you. Ask yourself, did you bring your pen and paper or not? If you didn't bring it, my kind request to you, leave me. Don't waste your time over here. Okay, please, you are just wasting your time, brother. I don't want to waste your time. That's all, brother. Fair value gap and market structure shift count. What do you mean by that? Fair value gap market structure shift count. What do you mean by that, brother? Yes, we can understand. Thank you, Rogan. Perfect info. Thank you. Thank you, Peter. Bro, what indicator do you have for 8:30? Just let me show you from there. Sorry. This one. ICT New York midnight open and 8:30 a.m. open. This one I have from Alpha C Trader, I guess, or Alpha. I don't know, Alpha ICT IC Trader maybe. So that is the this one. I untick or uncheck everything, and I just checked here. Display, history, low level, show level. This is the color, solid, 730 to 731. If I put it 730 to 731, then this thing appeared on 830. Okay, so you have to put the 730 if you have this UTC -4. Then that's all, brother. Jonathan, thank you, brother. No indicator, he just marks it. Yeah, I marked everything. I just use the only 830 indicator, just this one, the midnight, because I keep an eye over here for this 831, but except this 830 indicator, I don't have any other indicator on my chart, and I don't like to use indicator, to be honest. I used to mark the 830, but I keep forgetting now to mark some level because of some mental pressure. So yeah, it is falling. Are you going to take sell? No. It is going higher. Are you going to take buy? No. Wait. Wait. Just wait. Lost gacha for reversal as it is falling. As it is falling, I don't have anything to do over here except if I see it has taken some buy side liquidity, then gave me any market structure shift toward the sell side. I mean, so toward the sell, then I'll be able to take a sell. Otherwise, I'm not able to take sell. If it keep falling like that way, I am not going to take sell. So it has to take the buy side liquidity first. So for taking sell, it has to take the buy side liquidity, and the selling setup, market structure shift, fair value gap from 1 minute chart should be very clean, very, very, very clean. Without that, I'm not interested to take sell. Simple, simple. Okay. Miguel Jr. Perfect. Thank you, brother. We have to set the time to 7:30 to get the 8:30 timer. Yeah, absolutely, brother. 7:30 to 7:31. Thanks, bro. No problem, Richard. Let's see if it can make this sell side liquidity now, and then it can go higher. Then it can fall for this sell side liquidity or not. If it left this sell side liquidity like that way, open, and then it went higher, then I will start to look for a sell. Otherwise, I'm not interested to look for any kind of sell. Right now, I don't have any sell side liquidity. Keep that in your mind. Market is falling. I don't have any sell side liquidity. Though I have marked this as my sell side liquidity. If market can build this sell side liquidity, I will go for that sell side liquidity later. But right now, I don't have any sell side liquidity. Nothing. You don't consider yesterday low as liquidity, right? Absolutely, I don't consider it because some people do. ICT mentioned it. I think it that it could be sometime. Brother, yesterday low, previous week low, yesterday hour low, session low, everything is liquidity. Every single. You see this swing high, it's liquidity, 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 liquidity. Here, liquidity, there, liquidity. Every single swing low, swing high is liquidity. Now, my my question is that going for that single swing low or previous day low every single time, at least 80% of the time? If your answer is yes, go for that. If you say no, sometimes it go or 50-50 or 60-40, I'm not gonna consider that. I saw the way I mark the relatively equal highs. How do I know that? From ICT. Absolutely from ICT. Relatively equal highs, relatively equal lows. Now, obvious liquidity, strongest liquidity, that's my experience. I added them. But relatively equal lows, relatively equal highs, I learned it from ICT. Okay, I learned it from ICT. That's for sure. I saw market always go for that relatively equal highs or relatively equal lows. Always. at least 95% of the time. I consider them as a liquidity. For example, I don't have the sell side liquidity. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark yesterday low as my liquidity. Why? Because I'm forcing market to give me a setup. I don't like to force market to give me a setup. That's why I don't just go for a single low or previous day low, previous week low as my liquidity. Always I would love to stick with one thing. For example, 15-minute chart, 1-minute chart. For example, relatively equal lows, relatively equal highs. Now I have the option over here. In 15-minute chart, I have the option. If it's not clear, I will go to hourly chart. If it's not clear, then I will go to hourly chart. Same way, if the sell side liquidity can be the strongest liquidity, can be the obvious liquidity, or can be the normal liquidity. So three types of liquidity. I don't know, do you get your answer or not? Love your explanation, brother. Shahid, how are you, brother? It's holding C of the hourly fair value gap. Yeah, I can see it. But all I'm seeing here is 15-minute last fair value gap is holding the price. So this is the 15-minute last fair value gap. This last fair value gap top is holding the price. That's all I'm seeing. I'm not looking for buy, to be honest. Even if market go higher and make the all-time high, I don't care. I'm not looking for buy. I am expecting this sell side liquidity will be untaken or open, and I will go for that sell side liquidity. That's my, this is how I make the story. So I'm making the story here, and price action will tell me my story is a good one or a bad one. Do you use market maker buy or sell model? No, I don't do that. I mean, I don't use that. I go with simple thing, simple logic, very simple logic. First I mark the liquidity, then I use 15-minute chart for making the setup. Simple thing, okay? Lost gacha, I guess you are new to my channel, brother. Just give me 1 week, okay? You will understand how do I trade. Just give me one week. Now look, market is going higher. Am I going to take buy? Absolutely not. Definitely I'm not going to buy. Brother, previously you told that you are not interested to take sell. Now you are telling me that you are not interested to take buy. Why? This is the price action. Look on your left to this 15-minute chart. What do you see? Do you think it is going higher by your 15-minute chart? What do you think? It is going higher? If you think it is going higher from your 15-minute chart, go for the buy. I'm not interested. I am waiting. Why? See this low and that low. They are now relatively equal lows. I have very clean sell side liquidity. So I will let price go higher. Let's see how far it can reach. It is going higher to take the buy side liquidity. Small buy side liquidity, maybe this buy side liquidity, maybe that swing high, maybe this relatively equal highs, any kind of buy side liquidity. I will let him to take the buy side liquidity. Then I will be in the back. I will be the wizard again. I will go for that sell side liquidity then. Until then, I'm not interested to do anything. I will just keep watching. I will keep watching. Even if I miss everything, I will miss everything. You would only consider its sell side liquidity when it trades away first. What do you ask, Peter? You would only consider its sell side when it trades away first. I didn't understand your question, Peter. You have to ask me again, brother. I'm sorry. My English is not so good, so you have to tell me little, I mean, little more. That's good. 5795. Can we have a 3 drive pattern on 1 hour? Let me check, brother. 3 hour 3 drive pattern is awesome, brother. Awesome. So how can you say 3 drive pattern? If you would love to see the three drive pattern for buy, okay, for buy, then the pattern should be like this. Oh, sorry, what happened? The pattern should look like this. Okay, this is a low, two drive pattern, three drive pattern. Then market will go higher. This low will be taken. This low will be taken. This is the three drive pattern. Now, if this is happen, it's not three drive pattern. Just let me remove it. If you see this, this low, that low, that low, it's not three drive pattern. I mean, yep. Minute 15 order block, minute 1 ms plus fair value gap. Minute 15 order block, minute 1 market structure shift, fair value gap. Wow, awesome, brother. You wanna go for buy? Go for that, brother. You said it wasn't sell side yet. Were you waiting for it to pull back up first? And okay, I understand now your question. Previously, I didn't have any sell side liquidity. Okay, so there was a single low. Market is falling, 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 right? Is it falling for sell side liquidity? No, I don't have any sell side liquidity. Now market came here. Now it started to go higher, right? It went little higher. Now I have the sell side liquidity because I have this relatively equal lows around that area here. Now I have this sell side liquidity because market came until that area, make a support double bottom. What the retail trader they're seeing? They're seeing double bottom. Let me mark the double bottom. Wick to body, just look. See, this is their zone. Here, this is their zone. They are seeing this is double bottom. Market came to this zone, started to go higher. So relatively equal highs or relatively equal lows is actually double top, double bottom, triple top, triple bottom. Okay, that is my liquidity. Exactly, I called them double top, double bottom, triple bottom. One low is not my liquidity because retail trader they don't they don't look for that as a resistance. But if you see now here, what they will think, this is a very strong zone. So when market will come back again here, what is going to happen? Market is going to bounce from there, from that zone. Why? Because this zone is very strong. Okay, it can't be broken. Market can't break this zone. So this is their support, and their support is my target. Simple. Do you understand? Okay, got it. Thank you. If you really get it, I am going to thank you, brother. Market trapping longs to go back and taken those equal lows out and potential go higher. Absolutely, brother. That's my point. Now market is going higher, so everyone is thinking market is going higher, so they're going to be trapped. I am looking for sell now. I have waiting for this to see how far it can reach. Is it going to take this buy side liquidity or that buy side liquidity? It came until here, right? Exactly until here it came. What do I have over there? I have this 1 minute last fair value gap. Now I will wait for a market structure shift over there. If I get a market structure shift now, what do you see? Oh man, there is your sweet spot, because you have now sell side liquidity. This is my plan. I'm just not interested to take buy. What can happen? Market can come, this fair value gap started to go higher again. It can do that. What do you see that? Is it going for that buy side liquidity? No. You will start to think, okay, buy side liquidity didn't taken yet. So it is going for more buy side liquidity, but eventually it is going to fall for that sell side liquidity. How can you be sure that no, it's not going to fall? This 15-minute chart will tell you that no, it's not going to fall. How? It will make a 15-minute bullish fair value gap, then it will tap to this bullish fair value gap, it will start to keep going higher. This is how you will understand no, market is not going to fall anymore, it is going higher. A very simple way, brother, a very 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 simple way. It's not hard. What is missing? The story is missing. You are just missing the story. You have seen that market has fallen. After this market structure shift fair value gap, you are going to take buy from there. This is the part you should not follow. Now it can go higher, maybe it will go and take this buy side liquidity, okay, over here, very clean buy side, maybe it will take this buy side liquidity, I don't care, but I am not going to push my button over here this time. Maybe it will take this buy side liquidity. Lot of time you will see that it will never go higher, instead of that it is falling and taking this sell side liquidity. This is very simple rule, brother, you have to follow this simple rule. Everything else is very 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 easy. This is how you will understand when you should look for market structure shift fair value gap trade, fair value gap to take entry, and when you should wait to see that it is the liquidity run. This is the liquidity run for falling for that sell side liquidity. This is how you will build your story. I built my story, then I fall or I jump into the trade. First I build a story. Here I have built a story. What did I say? Until now I have no way to take sell, no way to take buy, but right now I have an end line. Here sell side liquidity, I have now an end line, I have an middle line, okay, middle of the story. The middle of the story is market is going higher to take the buy side liquidity. Then I have the punch line. What is the punch line? It will reach until a certain level. After that it will give me a lower market structure shift fair value gap immediate reaction, boom. Is it going to work 100% of the time? No way. But 90 or 80% of the time it will work. Remember this trade? I built the same way, same thing. A lot of you have seen that market went lower, has taken this sell side liquidity. Then here you started to look for buy. Trust me, lot of people started to look for buy. They were thinking, oh man, I missed the buy, I missed the buy. So they keep buying. I was just letting this thing go. I was seeing it. Okay, it is going higher. Is this last fair value gap going to hold the price and send it back? No, it didn't. It went through that. No problem. I have this buy side liquidity. Is it going to take that buy side liquidity? Yeah, it has taken that buy side liquidity. Did I get any market structure shift? No. It traded this fair value gap, started to go higher. Did I think that market is going higher? No. I saw it came here, going higher, take more buy side liquidity. Maybe this buy side liquidity, maybe at the same time this last fair value gap. Then I have seen that market came here, this last fair value gap, take all of this buy side liquidity, boom, fall, market structure shift fair value gap, go for sell. You have sell side liquidity, go for sell, boom, simple. So you have to build your story first. Without a story you can't just trade. Trading is easy, just you need to build the story. Now I am not gonna frame any trade here. I am just not going to frame any trade. You will see if you get any trade or not. Okay, I will talk only hindsight now. Now this guy T2, he doesn't like to talk about hindsight, but today last hour I will talk only after the effect. Okay, no prediction, let it go. Whatever it wants to do, let it go. I have already explained my explanation, already explained it. So I will just talk about the hindsight now. 108 people are watching. I talk too much. Okay, I really talk too much. I'm sorry for that, guys, but I try to give everything I have in my mind so that you guys can be benefited. So guys, you don't see this as a setup. Instead of that, you can find out the trap. What is the trap? This is how market built the trap. I'm trying to explaining that. Okay, maybe market will go higher and it will take all of this buy side liquidity, maybe, in that type of situation I will be wrong over here. I'm very happy to be wrong around that area, but I just can't push my button for the buy just because one time it worked, because I have seen 99% of the time it doesn't work. It didn't work over here. The same situation, look, tap to this parallel gap, went higher. It didn't work over here. 99% of the time it doesn't work. So I'm not interested to push my button over here even if it went higher. So try to understand. If any of you are interested to take buy or take sell, go for that. Don't blame me if you miss the trade. Don't blame me. That's my request. 103 people are watching. Make sure that you have given me the like. I only ask for the like, guys. I don't have any private mentorship. I don't have any other incomes from here. Even if you give me the like, I'm not going to be benefited. I mean, sorry, I'm not gonna earn money by your like. So please consider me the like, sorry, not bike. Consider me the like, please. That's the only thing I asked for. Awesome information, bro. Thank you. Bro, your channel is booming. Hey, Ayan, how are you, brother? Thank you, man. We have a 1 minute MSS. Why not buy the fair value gap? Ali, did I explain that clearly, brother? If you are still confused, let me know. I guess that I have already explained why I'm not going to buy over there. Ali, I need your answer, okay, brother? As you have asked the question, I need your answer now, as I have already explained everything around that area. So needs to reject first. Got it. Yeah, absolutely, Peter. Awesome info. I read your comment. It would be a different story of the market taken out the sell side immediately, but the way it came close and leave it there is fishy. Okay, yeah, it can be, brother. I think simple rule is wait for buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity, then MSS, parallel gap, then boom. Okay, golden zone, go for that, brother. Absolutely, I'm not forcing anyone to take sell or buy. You can go for that. You can wait as you wish. I just explained my whole thinking over there about the price action. The way I read the price, I have already explained that. So I will wait to catch something. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe market will go higher and it will take all the buy side. Maybe this buy side liquidity, maybe that buy side liquidity, this one, that one, everything will be taken. It can happen. I am just not interested. Do you think that 2-1 is the clean buy side 1 minute? 2-1? Absolutely, brother. This is the clean buy side liquidity. But from 1 minute chart, so I'm not interested to see that market will take that buy side liquidity. I really don't want to see that. Instead of that, I would love to see market will fall from here somewhere. Okay, around there. I can see there is a small fair value gap over there. It can reach until this fair value gap, but I would love to see market will fall from around that area. Okay, it will fall. Says this is good stuff for study folder. What is that, Jerry? I didn't understand. Ask me again. Oh yeah, you already marked that one on. We are on same page. Yeah, brother. But I'm just not expecting that market is going to take that buy side liquidity. That is out of my expectation. If it happens, I have nothing to do. I am curious about this sell side liquidity. Okay, I'm really curious about this sell side liquidity instead of this buy side liquidity. Hi, new here. Thanks for your insights. Just a quick query. Why is there a 20-second delay in trading view? Thanks. I guess it's a delay because of the live streaming. Uh, I mean, how to answer this question? Anybody can answer this question. I don't know what is the exact English word to answer this question. I mean the 20-second delay. Can you please tell him? By the way, welcome to my channel, Net K brother. Welcome to my channel. Okay. Uh, 5796. Just need 4 more people to touch 5800. So let's see if I can I can be perfect over here as well or not. Okay. Live stream is delayed. Delay for the program. YouTube has a delay. Oh, thank you, Peter. Yeah, YouTube has a delay, so it's not YouTube is delay. Okay, YouTube is delayed. If any of you are new, you can subscribe to my channel. You can make it 5800. So I just need 4 more people to make it 5800. Let's see if I can be here over there. By the way, guys, I need to drink some water. So around 3 p.m. Okay, this is 3 p.m. Look at the 3 p.m. There is no volatility around 3 p.m. Can you see that? Why? We are very near to Nvidia. I will stay here until Nvidia. So I'm sorry guys, I'm going to disturb you for so long now, as we have Nvidia after the closing bell. I would love to stay here until the Nvidia, and we will see uh, how the Nvidia work. Okay, so I believe that you won't get bored. We will see that. Okay, I guess 4:30 is the Nvidia earnings. We will see. Around here I have already explained what I am expecting. I'm expecting market will go for that sell side liquidity. All I need a lower market structure shift. That's all I need. Okay. At the same time, if any of you are interested to take buy, please go for that. Okay guys, I just need to drink some water. I can see 98 people are watching. Out of 98 people, make sure that, okay, 5797, I just need 3 more people, then it will be. Can I subscribe multiple times? Jerry, I just need new people, okay? I don't need the subscriber, I just need the new people. So I have, I guess, at least 5700 people, okay? 97 people can actually subscribe to my channel through their different account. They can do that, but at least I have 5900 unique people. So I need some unique people. I'll keep it over here, and while I need to see this time frame, right? 1 minute time frame. So I don't need the 50-minute time frame for some times. If I can touch 5800, I would love to be the witness of that. I love that round figure. Not in chart, okay? uh Caesar Saz is not here. If he was here, he would be happy. But really, I don't look the round figure to the price action for future market. I love the round figure for my subscriber. Imagine Nvidia earnings, the reaction is fake, came back down to take out sell side and go up for buy side. Nvidia is extremely dangerous. Last time I was the witness of that, so that's why I told that today please don't trade through your real money. Just do the paper trade, because Nvidia is extremely dangerous. Give thanks to whom? If you have good PC and internet, you can set the live stream to minimum delay. I have a very good PC. I have a HP and Core i7, Intel Core i7, and I don't remember all configuration, whatever. Lemur, to whom I should give thanks, but whatever. Thank you so much, whoever is asking for that. Why did you change your name? I lost you. Hey, Christopher, I'm extremely sorry, brother. I actually tweeted that I'm going to change my name, and I also use the community tab for beforehand that I'm going to change my YouTube name. But glad you have found me again. Thank you, brother. Welcome back. You all can thank me if you want. Yeah, thank you, Ali. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. So guys, I'm just coming back after drinking some water. At the same time, 104 people are watching. Make sure that you have given me the like. Make sure that you gave me 100 likes and you have subscribed to my channel. Okay, so make sure you have done these two things. I will just take 2 minutes to drink some water. You should give me that, please. Thank you, Ben, for asking me that question. I forgot. I was actually thinking when I was there. I was thinking about this fair value gap to talk about. Now, let me remove this thing first. It has made this 50-minute bullish fair value gap, right? It came to this bullish fair value gap. Now, if it give me a market structure shift to the higher part, first it has to take the liquidity. Any kind of liquidity has been taken over here. After taking the liquidity, if it has given me a bullish market structure shift, then I will think about a buy. Otherwise, I'm not gonna take a buy. Look over here what it has done. It came until the constant encroachment of that bullish 15-minute fair value gap, right? It didn't take the liquidity. This liquidity is not taken. So even if I get a bullish market structure shift now, I'm not interested to take a buy. Simple. At the same time, if I get a lower market structure shift, I'm not going to take a sell at the same time. Why? Because market has made this bullish fair value gap. So I'm not gonna take a sell at the same time. Simple. If you want to take a buy after a market structure shift to the fair value gap, if you want to take a buy, trust me, that's a 50-50. Okay, it's not valid, absolutely it's valid, but that's gonna be 50-50. It can be a winning trade, it can be a losing trade, not a uh, better opportunity, sorry, not a good decision to do something around that area. But after taking this sell side liquidity, if it has given you a market structure shift and a fair value gap, you will say a perfect setup, you will take the entry. If it doesn't work, you will say a perfect setup doesn't work. Just simply a perfect setup doesn't work. That was 100% sure setup, but it didn't work. Simple. If it went higher above that high, that is the market structure shift, the displacement, if you get the displacement market structure shift, if you push your button to the fair value gap, 50-50 again, that's gonna be a 50-50. Simple. Can I take a sell over there? You can't take a sell over here. Why? Market has made this bullish fair value gap, so you just can't take a sell right now. Better you should wait to take buy side liquidity, then market should close below this fair value gap, then you will start to look for sell sell setup. Below this fair value gap, you should look for a sell setup. This is how maybe you will miss the run, but in a longer term you will be very happy, because most of the time you will see that you got the run, you got the run. And 90% of the time your perfect setup will work. Okay, is that clear, Ben? Let me know if it is clear. 5799, just need one more people to touch 5800. I think we are done for today. uh what to say, I mean, can be, brother, it can be. Okay. Hey Peter, just two more subscribers. Yeah, I just need one more subscriber, brother. Thank you, Ryan. If anyone want to support me, you can support. You can give me $1,000. Okay, you can give me to that. Now we hitting 15-minute family gap. Yeah, I see it. I will tell other half to like and subscribe. Okay. Yeah, please do that. Is the family gap at 1402 still valid as inversion family gap? 1402. See, I got the market structure shift over here. Can I go for a sell now? Same thing, it's 50-50, but I would love to take a sell over here. If I get a chance, I would love to take a sell if it give me any chance. If it doesn't give me any chance, no problem. Why? Because I have already read the price action from there. I have already read all the price action here. I knew what is going to happen. So I would love to take that risk instead of the buying risk. But the best option is wait until this 15-minute travel gap is broken. You should wait for that. Okay, simple thing, brother. If you miss it, don't force the market to give the setup. Don't force the market. Better wait. Here you got a very nice market structure shift, very nice displacement. Market has taken the buy side liquidity. Look, this buy side liquidity has taken already. If market give you a perfect setup over there, go for that. Simple thing. If you see no, it's not cool, it's not looking very nice, don't take entry. Let it go. Let him do whatever it wants to do. It has taken all of this liquidity. Now give me your market structure shift to the buy side. Go for the buy. Perfect time for taking the buy. Is that clear, brother? Let me know. Just let me know, okay? 5799, just need one more people, then boom. But if you want to okay, I will tell other, okay, it would be a good setup for a scalper if you are one, okay, but you want a good runner, then it's not. That's cool. Manu, what to say, brother? I mean, you are little impatient. You have to be patient, brother. This is not a market where you can give your frustration. Okay, you just can't do it. You can't give the market your frustration. You just can't do it. Now, is it looking so good? No, it's not looking so good for a sell setup, but still it can happen. This setup can go for the sell side liquidity. It can go for the sell side liquidity. Is it looking so good? No. When it is not looking so good, I'm not interested to push my button. Simple. If there was a fair value gap around that area, if there was a fair value gap, I would push my button and I would cover this last fair value gap. Here it's not looking so good to me. I'm not gonna push my button even if I am thinking that market is going for that sell side liquidity. But still I'm not going to push my button because market is above the 15-minute fair value gap upper part. Look over here to your 15-minute chart. What do you see? What do you see over here? See, just a week that has traded this bullish fair value gap. It doesn't look like good to me. I'm not gonna push my button. I will wait. If market go lower, take this sell side liquidity now. I don't care. I just don't care. But I'm not gonna push my button from above of the bullish fair value gap. See, this is the bullish fair value gap. It is at the above of the bullish fair value gap. I'm not interested to push my button over there. I will let it go either way. But if it went higher and give me any kind of perfect market structure shift, yeah, I am interested to take buy. In that type of situation, I'm interested to take buy. Why? I'm As I explained, it has taken the liquidity. All the liquidity has taken. Where did it came? See this last parabolic from 1 minute chart. Just let me mark it. It came here. Do I have a parabolic gap there? Okay, I have a very little parabolic gap over here. I believe that if I mark it, it will be perfect. Let me check. Now it's a very small parabolic gap. No need to mark that one. Instead of that, just mark this one. Just mark this one, okay? It came until that area. Take this sell side liquidity. If it give you a very nice market structure shift, go for buy, no problem. I'm just not gonna push my button from there for sell. Why? Because it was above this bullish fair value gap. Here I got my market structure shift around that area. This is the market structure shift. Is that valid? Absolutely perfectly valid. Here I'm just going to mark it as a liquidity taken. So market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift. I'm going to remove this one from my chart. Here is my last fair value gap or the breakaway gap around that area. Breakaway gap. Maybe market will make an entry fair value gap over here. I will wait for an immediate reaction. If I get an immediate reaction, I'll go for that trade. Simple. Why? Do you understand the reason over there? The logic? Brother, you are looking for sell, you are looking for buy. Do you understand the logic or not? If you get the get the logic, perfect. If you don't get the logic, don't push your button. Simple. Now here I will say this is a perfect setup, a very perfect setup. If it doesn't work, I will say a perfect setup doesn't work. I'll cover this one. Sorry. So whatever the low will create, that will be just wherever it will close, it will make the fair value gap. I will take my entry over there. This buy side liquidity will be my target over there. Yeah. So this, I will take my entry to the entry fair value gap. I will cover this breakaway gap, and I will expect market will take this buy side liquidity now. What is the logic? I have already explained the logic. Now if it doesn't work, I will say a perfect setup just didn't work. Here, this is my setup. Simple. You didn't check the fair value gap that I told you. I forgot about that. 402. Why is it 402? Sorry, 1402. This one, are you asking for that one? If you're asking for that one, it's not valid anymore. This fair value gap, it's not valid anymore because already market went much more lower, below this low. It already went much more lower, so this is not valid in my opinion. uh, you okay, I think I'm a bit lost. Previously you had mentioned that it had not taken sell side and hence you cannot take buys. Even now it hasn't taken that sell side liquidity, so why would you take a buy? What I have explained, I guess you missed it. It didn't take the sell side liquidity, so I was looking for sell until it make a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. So it has made a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. When it has made a 15-minute bullish fair value gap, after taking the sell side liquidity, if I get a market structure shift which is above this bullish fair value gap, if I get a market structure shift, fair value gap, immediate reaction, I will go for buy. If market go below, closed below this fair value gap, at least below this constant encroachment, then give me a lower market structure shift, I will go for sell. Simple. Now I got the market structure shift over there, but the fair value gap was above this 15-minute fair value gap, this bullish 15-minute fair value gap. So I can't take a sell from there. Instead of taking sell, I should look for a buy, because from 15-minute chart, just look over here, this is that 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Price has traded this 15-minute bullish fair value gap, give me a higher market structure shift. That is a sign that market is going for buy side liquidity. Do I have any buy side liquidity? I have this 1 minute clean buy side liquidity. I'm expecting that market will go for this buy side liquidity now. That is why I am interested to take buy. Here this is a perfect setup. If it doesn't work, I will say a perfect setup didn't work. Simple logic. When market was over there, failed to take this sell side liquidity, I wouldn't go for that buy because that was 50-50. But when market has taken some liquidity, use this 15-minute bullish fair value gap, gave me a very nice market structure shift, and the immediate reaction from the fair value gap, I will go for buy, and I will look for any 1 minute buy side liquidity. That is why I'm looking for buy. Is that clear? Net K, is that clear, brother? clear explanation. Thank you, Sergey. I guess you got the point. I need to know from Netk if he get my point or not. I'm little bit curious about this parallel gap because this last parallel gap can hold the price. Okay, so if it is broken, I'll be very confident that market is going to take that buy side liquidity. If this last parallel gap is broken from 1 minute chart, so far it's broken, I believe that it will be a winning trade. So I will be able to mark, I mean, write down boom over there. I can be wrong, and here I'm not. Oh, 5802. Congratulate me, okay? Before the boom, congratulate me. So, guys, here, all of this price action, was that so clean? Was that buy also clean? Or this entry is more confident? Now, I don't know it will give me the boom or not, but still, compare this price action with all of this price action. Which one is better? Let me know that as well, okay? At the same time, give me the congratulations because I have got 5802 subscriber. Brother, okay. Sarjay, you don't need to mark that one. You can mark this one instead of that. You see, this is the market structure shift as well. I just randomly mark it because I was confident that market is going to give me the boom. Okay, I can see lot of boom now. Whoever are new to my channel, don't forget to write down the boom, brother. Okay, I love that word. If it didn't work, look where I put my stop loss. Just cover this breakaway gap. If it didn't work, I would say the perfect setup just didn't work. I don't need to catch this whole run. I don't need to hold it until this buy side liquidity. And you should not do that as well. You should keep your target for something more obvious, like over here 24 handle. Do you think it's small? No, man. 2.68, 1 is to 2.68 risk to reward ratio, man. Very simple. Okay, boom, ben. Thank you so much, all of you guys who have written the boom. Who is the wizard? I'm the wizard, man. Now, yesterday was really bad for me, and I got angry because of some comment. I'm extremely sorry for yesterday's behavior. I should not be angry around that area, but when you guys keep pushing me to take buy or to take sell, now you are looking for buy, you are looking for sell. Trust me, I can't just focus on the chart. I get confused. That's why I request, please don't give me the direction. I know how to read this price or how to make my direction, when and how I should change my direction, how I should frame my trade, when I should do that. Let me explain everything. You will be benefited. Trust me, man. All of this price action is that difficult. I would take sell over there. Trust me or not, I would take sell over there if I could get a fair value gap around that area below the constant encroachment of this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. I would take sell and I would go for that sell side liquidity. Trust me, market will never tell you lie. Market will always tell you right. Absolutely right. Sometimes we force the market, we miss the opportunity. That's all, brother. Here, all of this sell setup, and if you compare with this buy setup, which one is good? We have built a story over there. Then we wait for the price action. When we got the price action, we take our decision, we jump into the market, right? Simple. You don't need to hold your trade until this buy side liquidity. There is also 1 minute buy side liquidity. See this buy side liquidity over there? You don't need to hold it until that area. Can you hold it? Absolutely you can. But in that type of situation, you have to take partial around that area. You have to do. Okay? So guys, I'm going to remove everything from there because lot of lines over there. I can't focus on uh, 15-minute chart. I need to focus on that 15-minute chart. By the way, this 50% of that week is extremely important, and you can see how it reversed. First, I was expecting it will use as a resistance. Later, I was expecting is it will use as a support. So you can see how beautifully it reacts as a support. Okay, I'm going to remove everything, and I'm now focusing on this bearish parallel gap from 15-minute chart. Now this parallel gap is important. Can you do anything over here? You can't do anything over here. Now it is time to wait for another setup. If you have time, you should wait for another setup from here. What should be your target? Can you go for buy side liquidity or should you go for sell side liquidity? 50-50. Here you have sell side liquidity, here you have buy side liquidity. Market is at the 50%. You just can't look for buy or sell. It's not one sided. Now it is both sided. It can go any way. Okay, so in that type of situation, you have to wait to break this parallel gap. You have to wait to break this parallel gap. You just can't frame any other trade. Okay, now guys, lot of comment, big comment. By the way, I would love to read the name who have written the boom, so consider me. Sometimes I would love to read the name who actually write down boom. Netk, yes, thank you, brother. Netk, thank you. I will listen to recording again and again. Okay, brother. I hope it will be good. Richard, thanks for boom, man. White, congratulations. Thank you, brother. Peter, boom and boom. Thank you, brother. Casey Jeb, thank you. Could you explain why your MS is valid? It's equal highs. I guess, brother, I gave you the answer because I just randomly mark it because I knew it that market is going higher. I mean, I was feeling so confident, but this is the highest high. You can mark that high as your market structure shift, this high, because this is just a swing high. It's a perfect market structure shift. Deserve, brother, thank you. Ryan, teamed, congrats on 5,800 subscriber, brother. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much for that 5,000. Congratulations. Thank you so much, brother. Boom, brother. Thank you, team. Shantosh, thank you, brother. Ryan, thank you. Peter, thanks for the penguin, man. Mohammad Omar, Melafu, thank you, brother. Sister, Sanji, congrats. Thank you, brother. Ryan, thanks for the penguin, man. Miguel, thank you. Anish, Sergey, Ravi, Jackie. You have to bear this part, okay? I would love to read the name. I really love to do that because I have to wait for another price action now. I have nothing to do. I have no word to say right now except waiting. Trust me, man. Just no word simply. So I can just read some name. Please consider me. Forgive me for this, okay? Sir, got it. Thanks. Okay, Imran Mohammed, congratulations, Tito. Inshallah, you will surpass Tanja one day. I'm not competing Tanja. She's a great trader, as ICT always in her comment box. So Tanja is one of the best, I believe. I'm not gonna compete with her. I'm like this way. I'm cool with that way. Okay. Just a thank man. Owen, thank man. FX. Why you are using that word, brothers? Again and again and again. Netke boom. Thank you, brother. Ben Cruz, White, Golden John, Senji, Peter. Peter, who is the wizard? I'm the wizard, Peter. Tom. Thank you, dude. Sergey, thank you for the boom. My first boom for you. Thank you, MJ. Manjunath MJ. Thank you, brother. Leonardo Miguel. Thanks, brother. Mohammed Omar, you are the best. Thank you for that compliment. Netke, now that it took the relatively equal highs, can we expect market to go toward that sell side liquidity that you had previously marked? Netke, I have already explained that. So you have to wait for another price action over there. So you have to wait for this type of consolidation part again. You just can't take a sell from there. If you do that, you are gambling. You can't do that. Even if market fall and take this sell side liquidity, you have nothing to do except waiting. Look at the time right now, 1539, no entry is valid after 345. After 345, no entry is valid. Even if you are in an entry or in an trade, you should have closed your trade around 349. So around 350, there should be no trade open on your chart. No trade. This is the rule. You have to write it down, and you can't break this rule. If you break it, trust me, in a longer term, you are going to regret. Okay. Manu, brother, please tell me this. Is MSS valid just the week? Obviously, watch my market structure shift video, Manu. You will find that in my study folder. I have already made 2 videos about the market structure shift, and if you can watch them, trust me, 1000 losing trade you will simply avoid. You can simply avoid 1000 losing trade. I challenge you, I guarantee you. If you just watch those 2 videos and take notes from there. Okay, Manu? Wow, Titu, I was looking for that long in the 15 minute as well, and it feels good to have you explain exactly what I was looking at, and then boom, I target profit at your first buy side and had target profit too at 15 minute CB. So you are better than me, Ben. You are 1000 times better than me. I have to admit that. Hey team, you retracted some messages. Whatever. I love your comment, brother team. I love your name as well. I have the voice in my head saying to me, beautiful delivery on price action. This dude is best student ICT trader. Thank you, either matters. Thanks for that compliment, brother. Wait, we have a 50-minute CV right above optimal trade entry. I don't trade depending on optimal trade entry, so I don't want to talk about that. Okay, I don't believe in that. I don't talk about that. My rules are so simple. You have already seen what is my rules. I just first mark liquidity, then I depend on price action just for fair value gap. So simple, no optimal trading, no nothing, which works again and again. I go for that. Here, this is my well-known setup. Okay, I renamed it well-known setup. So two fair value gap entry. Here, I am not waiting for 50 per your optimal trade entry or something like that. I will take my entry over there, just over there. Even if it come here, I will just cover the breakaway gap. That's all. I'm not interested to wait if price come here or not. Keep coming. Wait, I believe that you will understand. Christian, kaboom! Thank you, brother. Big Uzi, awesome play top step team. Top step team. Okay, I don't understand what is top step team. Wait, we went from external to internal. We should go back to external. Same way, I don't trade on internal liquidity, external liquidity. My liquidity is fixed. Finally, a boom. Lately, it's been a dude lol. Hey, bro. Thanks for the comment, man. Congratulations on 5,800. Thank you, bro. Ahmed, what happened? Is the wizard give another boom? Yeah, I give another boom, Mustafa. Let's do a poll where Nvidia take the market. It I believe that it will go here. It's my opinion that market will reach here to this buy side liquidity. That's my opinion. I don't wanna gamble over there, but that's my opinion. But yeah, I'll be here until the Nvidia. I'm extremely sorry, guys. Today I'm going to disturb you a lot. See, it is falling. Some of you will think, oh man, I missed the trade. No, it's not a time to take entry. You should not look for entry over here. This is called trading. If you don't want to follow this, or if you see that market has taken this sell side liquidity, you are just gambling. Don't gamble, brother. My request, please don't gamble. That's my request, okay? You wanna listen to me or not, it's up to you. But as I told you, when market was falling, I don't care about this fall. That was a huge fall. I really don't care about that. I would love to go with this type of precision. So over here, I don't care about that fall. Even if it go and take this sell side liquidity, I don't care. I'm sorry for being rude. or that word, I really don't care. Simply, I will wait here to see some kind of consolidation or something. Anything that will tell me no, market is falling. I just don't know market will fall or not. I just don't know that. So I can't take sell now. But brother, previously you told that market has made the sell liquidity, it is going to take the sell liquidity. Yeah, I told that, but market didn't do that. It should have taken that sell liquidity by that run. See this run? It should have taken that sell. It didn't take it. When it didn't take it over there, I just can't believe that market is going to take that sell liquidity right now. I just can't do that. Now this is my opinion. If you don't like it, avoid it, okay? But please just don't judge me. This is how I read the price. Please don't judge me, as I can see lot of new people. Please don't judge me. Hey Peter, thank for that playlist link. Guys, you can check the playlist link in my comment box, provided by Peter. You can watch that playlist. Trust me, it will help you a lot. Today was a good day. See you tomorrow, brother. See you tomorrow, team. Good job, brother. Thank you, Condell. I guess you are new as well. Vernon Condell. Yeah, I didn't read your name before. By the way, welcome to my channel if you are new. Okay, brother, too many opinions. I heard, I was convinced market structure shift is valid with candle body close only. Man, what I showed in my YouTube channel, that is precise, okay? That is precise, that works 90% of the time. Not 100, I can't just say 100% of the time. I will say 90% of the time. So I don't know what you have heard from other people. I don't care about other people. I'm the best. I'm always right. Market is wrong, okay? I'm always right. Now don't think that I'm telling this as a proud. This is how I think. If you think that you are wrong, you will never be a profitable trader. So you have to first think that you are always right. If I take that entry and I got stopped out, I will say market is wrong. I am right. I was right. Perfect setup that doesn't work, so market was wrong over there. So I don't care about other people. I don't know what they told about this. I talked about something I learned from ICT. I never watched other people's video. I don't know what other students of ICT talked about that. Whatever I got, it's all from ICT. As per ICT, if you see a market structure shift, you don't need to wait for a body close. You have to wait just a week. Week is okay. It's from ICT. Go 22 YT mentorship, 22 mentorship. You will find that information from that folder. Okay. So yeah, brother. I hope that you will understand. Bigger boom. Thank you, team. This is what I removed. Had a runner to the 15 minutes CB as well. Oh, okay, brother. Why did you remove that? I love that boom word, brother. What's your next expectation? To wait. My next expectation is to wait. It's because the time. First time, then price. Right now, market is around 349. So I just can't frame any trade right now. I just can't do that. As we have Nvidia, I will wait here. Otherwise, I would have tell that okay, I'm done for today. But before Nvidia, I would love to see where market will stop. Then I will define where it wants to go. Okay, Jack T, Bigusi. Oops, I'm listening to T2 and Top Step while working and heard both channels profited. What was that, Bigusi? You're watching both of them all together. Nvidia to the moon. Let's see, brother. I'm expecting higher on, to be honest. What time is Nvidia? I guess 4:30. I guess 4:30. Good night, Peter. See you tomorrow, brother. And thank you for that compliment. Amazing stream, wizard. Thank you, man. Always appreciated. Is 15:11 a breaker? 15:11. Let me check. Yeah, I will go for that. The highest up close body close candle. I guess this one is the highest up close body close candle. So yeah, I will go for that as a breaker. But I'm not gonna push my button, as I told you. First time, then price. So over here, you see this is the whole consecutive, or I mean breaker block. I am not going to take any kind of entry, but in my opinion, if that was a normal time, yeah, this is the breaker, a perfect breaker, because this candle has closed this parallel gap perfectly. So it's a perfect breaker block in my opinion. If it was a time, and if there was some kind of buy side liquidity, I have the buy side liquidity. I have the buy side liquidity. So here is the buy side liquidity. Yeah, if it was a normal time, I would take my buy over there, and there my stop loss would cover the breaker block. That would be my target. If it was a normal, I mean, as I told you, first time then price. Here this is not a time to trade, so it's not valid. But if it was a normal time, then this was a perfect breaker for me. Absolutely. I mean, if you sometimes I say you some perfect breaker block, right? This is that perfect breaker block. But remember, price action always depends on uh, time first. So first time, then price. See you tomorrow, Miguel. See you tomorrow, brother. 15 minutes see for short looks possible. Can be, brother. I'm not just interested to take any kind of entry right now. No trade is valid after 3:45. That's rule can't be avoided. It can't be avoided. Imran Mohammed, thank you, brother, for your time. Inshallah, we'll meet tomorrow. Good night. See you, Imran. I just don't want to close my trade. I would love to wait until Nvidia. So whoever wants to leave, you can leave. Okay, I'm done with the price action. So I would love to stay here, and I would love to see what is going to happen around the Nvidia times. But I'm done with the price action. Okay. So if anyone wants to leave, you can go. Manu, I value your mind, training, and your price reading teachings. Thank you, Manu. Thanks for that, brother. For that compliment. If you change the name of your channel again, call it ICT Boom. Okay, Varnon, I will do that. But you are new to my channel, I guess, brother. Yeah, am I right? Rule reminder: 350 close the positions. Absolutely, Leonardo. That's the rule. You can't avoid that rule. By the way, lot of it's been a long. I don't say a word, and that is random. See this last travel gap, random reaction. This last travel gap, random reaction, random reaction from this last travel gap. So funny. Oh man, I was just kidding. There was a guy who was actually talking about this. So by the way, it's a really a good day. Okay, two people actually unsubscribe, but it's okay. I talk too much. Someone can unsubscribe. I'm happy because I got 5,800 subscriber. I just touched 100. I mean, a round figure. I'm happy for that. Whoever joined me today, welcome to my channel, brother. But if you just come one day, trust me, it's not going to help you either way. So you have to keep coming at least for 1 week. Give me 1 week. I promise you, you'll never leave me alone. Don't awaken the ghost of Harmon. Lol. Okay, I'm not going to do that. Oh man, he is just unbelievable. But he was awesome. By the way, do. I would love to do some fun over here. Okay, I have already missed the opportunity. When price came here to this last fair value gap, after reaching to this last fair value gap, this was the market structure shift. Entry fair value gap, this was the target. So I have already missed the opportunity to take the buy. It's cool. Let's see if I find another opportunity to take sell or not. This last fair value gap from 30-second chart, I will start to look for a sell setup from there. Now, do I have any sell side liquidity? No, I don't have any sell side liquidity. So I should not look for sell. Guys, I'm done. Okay, I'm done with price action. So if anyone wants to leave, you can leave. Okay, I'm just waiting for Nvidia. So please, uh, that's that's for your kind information. Price action has done for me. If you say random 3 times, he will appear. Okay, I'm not gonna repeat that random word. That's for sure. What time is good to take a position and what time is not? Session time. You have to take your entry around the session. So the session is 9:30 to until 12, 1 p.m. to until 3:30. Okay, 3:45 actually, until 3:45. That's the session time. You should take entry around that session. Outside of this that session, no entry. We are here with you. Okay, Buro. Now I'll just telling so that if anyone wants to leave, they can expect that maybe I will talk about the price action. No, I'm not gonna talk about the price action anymore. So I'm done with the price action. I'll just spend over here for some more times for the Nvidia. How was the price action? I mean, how was the price action reading for today, guys? From the morning session. I'm sorry for the gold. I need some more times to cope up with gold. Still I have to work. This all just a third day of gold. I'll be okay with that. Okay, very soon I'll be okay with that. I believe so. But I need some more times. That's all. But from the morning session and the PM session, what do you think about the Nasdaq price action? Just write down something, guys. Do some favor for me. At the same time, please push the like button if you didn't, because I'm very near to 96 likes. Just need 4 more likes to touch 100 likes. So if you give me 4 more likes, I would be grateful. I will be grateful. Okay. Tomorrow I'll be here all day, brother. Oh, okay. What is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Thursday. Okay. Thank you, Leandro. Excellent price action reading today, brother. You were on your A game for sure. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Buro. So it was cool. At least 2 people like it. Teamed Buro. Thank you guys for liking my streaming for today. That setup was cool for me, but I just missed it. Okay, whatever. I will just wait around 4 p.m. What is going to happen? So after 1 minute, I will change this chart. Let me spend some times over here. Okay, I really love to clear my mind around 4 p.m. So I keep pushing my button around that area. Okay, just to make my mind clear. I keep pushing my button. So if I find any opportunity, I will push my button, but without any price action. I'm not seeing anything over here. Nothing. Just randomly, I will push my button. If I get it, I mean, if I see anything cool, I'll just push my button. I do that. I mean, almost every day after 3:45. Okay. I'm done over here. Jack T, I don't know you are still here or not. That was the consecutive breaker block. Remember the consecutive breaker block? Still, this consecutive breaker block hold the price, send it back for the buy side liquidity. All of this consecutive order block. Sorry, not order block, consecutive breaker block. This is the consecutive breaker block. I don't know, Jack, you are here or not, but that is my perfect breaker block area. So if, over there, if I just mark the highest up close body close candle, okay, just for example, if I mark this one as my breaker block and I get stopped out over here, the very next time market went higher and close above this breaker block, I will be in the market. Here I will take my buy over there. My stop loss will cover the mohawk of this breaker block. I will take my buy over there and I will go for some buy side liquidity here, this buy side liquidity. So that will be my target. I know it's not a good risk to reward, I guess. So from there, here to here, still I will, okay, now I wouldn't go for that because it is more than 22 handle. If it was like something here, I would take that entry. If it was near about 15 handle, I would take that buy depending on that breaker block, just highest up close body close candle. But if you see this consecutive breaker block, it perfectly trade that consecutive order block, then went higher. As I told, this is the perfect breaker block in my opinion. But first time, then price. This is out of time, so no breaker block is valid. Good job. Thank you, Golden John. You are king. Okay, I'm the wizard. Okay, Manu Films. I'll give you the like anytime for what you offer here. That's a great achievement, brother. Because you are new, still you are saying that, so it's a great achievement for me. I should say that. I should say that. Just don't act like the guy called A from yesterday. Just don't like act him. Don't act like him. Okay. He made me upset yesterday. I mean, totally upset. It was a bad day. Okay, so for looking like Nvidia will take this sell side liquidity and this guy will go for the buy side liquidity. So this is my target. If you have watched my weekly analysis, I told that this week market is going to touch that line 18888.75. I believe that Nvidia will reach the market until that area. We will see. Okay, that's not for sure. I would love to see that. Manu, you have to keep patient. Okay, you have to be very patient. I mean, you get frustrated with a small amount of time. You get frustrated, so don't be frustrated, brother. Give it a time, give it a try, and don't overtrade. If you do overtrade, you will lose. Guys, 70 people are watching. I believe that at least two people didn't give me the like. If you consider two likes, I will touch 100 likes. Can you do that for me, please? I can see 71 people. So if you consider just two more likes, I will touch 100 likes. I'll be very happy for that. Okay. Thank you, Mitul. Thanks for that like. I guess you have liked before because it's still 98 likes. I need two more new likes. I'm the one who forgets always. Okay, you didn't? Then give me the like, brother. Thank you. You gave me the like. the now I just need one more like and it will be 100 likes. I believe that there is at least one people who didn't give me the like. Please give me the like. Where the Nvidia report around 4:30 I guess. So it's 4:05. I have to wait another 25 minutes. But if any of you wants to leave, you can leave. Okay, I'm done with the price action. I'm just waiting to see the Nvidia. I would say that I would see that alone. But as you, some of you are here, so I would love to see the Nvidia. Last time I outlined a trade around Nvidia, though it's not uh, eligible because top step doesn't take that entry. But still, there was a very nice setup around Nvidia. So I would love to see if I can frame another setup around Nvidia today or not. I'd love to see that. Look at this 15-minute chart, okay? Look at this 15-minute chart. What do you see? Let me remind you something. Look at this 1-minute chart. See this is small move over there. Look at this small move over here on my right. And look at this big move from 15-minute chart. See? This small move has taken this relatively equal loss, failed to take that extreme liquidity. This bigger move has taken all of this sell side liquidity, failed to take this sell side liquidity. I don't know you guys are getting my point or not. Just compare this small move with this 15-minute chart. So if you compare with this, what should be happen? It should give you the market structure. It has given you the market structure sheet. So this bigger move has to give you the market structure sheet. After giving the market structure shift, it has traded this parallel gap. Boom. From here, you should expect the same thing. Okay. Now it is called the prediction. History repeats. I'm gonna see this. I'm gonna expect the same thing. What I have got from 1-minute chart. Now I am expecting the same thing from 15-minute chart. If it happens, I'll be very much confident to go for the buy around Nvidia. If I don't get it, I'll just let it go. Okay. Did I get 100 likes? Yeah, I got 102 likes. Thank you guys, whoever give the like to me. Really appreciate it. 5801. Please don't unsubscribe me, any of you. Then it will be 5799 again. I'm just kidding. What had just happened? Do you guys like trading? I mean, when you are with me, I'm asking this question to someone who are with me for so long now. Okay, what do you think when you are with me? When I actually read the price with you guys, We all are brother, right? So I'm not your teacher, you are not my student, we all are student. I'm also learning, you are also learning, so we are at the same level. You and me, maybe you are better than me, but not I'm better than you. Okay, we are at the same level, or maybe I'm below. But when I read the price, how do you feel? Like, is trading really so hard? Just let me know your I mean your expression, man. I can't just talk to you. You have to write it down. There is no other way actually. But how do you feel when something is going to work and I outline now this is a very nice setup, perfect setup, it can be work or something like that, okay? When I outline something, how do you feel? Is it really hard, the trading, or is it really easy? Why and how you should look for buy, how should you look for sell? You are totally transformed my trading skills. Great compliment. Okay, it's on kind of biggest compliment. I would love to. I should have quite over here because it's a big responsibility as well. I'm trying to give everything to all of you guys. I'm not keeping anything in my inside of me. Sometimes I tell you that I don't want to talk about that. The only reason is if I talk about that, you will be confused. Okay, you really will be confused. You need more time, more time, more time to understand deeper and deeper and deeper price action. When I go to top step X from 30-second chart, 15-second chart, I can't explain anything over there. I just can't do it. If I explain them, you'll be confused. Trust me or not, you will get nothing from there. But it will hurt your trading journey. So I admire the confidence in concluding transactions. Okay, Dolo Asha. Dolo Asha, you are new to my channel, I guess, brother. I didn't read your name before. Golden John, still learning from you. Thanks. Golden John, you are also new to my channel, okay? I asked this question to them who are with me for at least 2 to 3 weeks, at least 1 month with me. Like Teamed, FX, then Ahmed Mustafa, uh, Kesh, yeah, Kesh also. I mean, who are with me for long now. When your expectations lines up with mine, it makes me a lot more confident in the trade setup. Great compliment for me, team. There has to be an urge to teach. Your way of teaching something only you can give. Okay, great compliment. Lost Gacha, do you have a routine for the AM session? Like wait out the first 30 minutes? No, I don't have. I start to look for entry around 9:30. I mean, after 9:30, I start to look for entry. So you see today's entry, it was around 9:31. Okay, so I took my first around 9:31. I added one more around 9:32. But my rules is no entry is valid before 9:30. That's forbidden. If you have any red folder news around 8:30, then you can take entry until 9. So from 9 to 9:30, no trade is valid around that area. No entry, simply no entry. It's forbidden. You just can't break that rule. Your explanation are very simple and easy to understand. Okay, the evil genius. That is also a great compliment. But still, I think you are also new to my channel. The evil genius. Yeah, you are new to my channel as well. If I am not wrong, you are also new to my channel. Again, whoever actually joined to me, trust me, brother. I'm just waiting for Nvidia. Okay, so I'm not talking about the price action. I'm just waiting for the Nvidia, and then I will close my session. So I guess I have 15 more minutes. Then I'm done. Around 4:30, I guess the Nvidia is around 4:30. Can anyone check what time the Nvidia is? So I would assume you mark out buy side and sell side before 9:30 and wait for entry after 9:30. Absolutely, brother. Absolutely, that is. I'm new over 1 week now. Yeah, you are new. I knew that. I'm your old student. Golden John. I don't remember. I read your name before. I always try to keep remember the name I read. So, oh, okay. The earning is around 420. That's cool. I thought it will be at 4:30. If it is 4:20, that is also cool. And we will see where market reach. I'm bullish, okay? I'm still bullish, and I believe that market will go to 18888.75. 18888.75. That is my target. Oh, okay. GJ is. Oh, okay. GJ. Yeah, I know GJ. I know GJ very well, but Golden Zone was new to me, okay? Okay, suddenly I got a run over here around 1616. Let's see what I can get. I'm still bullish. How old are you? Can you guess it? I mean, guess it, okay? How old am I? Just guess it, okay? You sound very young. Been learning a lot from you this past days. Appreciate it, brother. Thank you so much. Lost Gacha. No problem, Golden John. I know Giza very well. I didn't know this Golden John actually. Lost Gacha. Just guess my age first, brother. Well, guys, don't judge me by Nvidia as I'm expecting higher run. It can go for this sell side liquidity, but as we are not trading, so we can just guess where it will go. In my opinion, it will go higher and it will reach until 18888.75 until that area. That's my expectation. We will see where it will go. Okay, I would assume 19 to 22. Okay, I'm not that much younger. I'm little older. I'm 32, brother. Next September 11, 9/11. Okay, next 9/11, I'll be 33. At the same time, please don't judge me. I'm just guessing the price and expecting that higher run. After out of all of this price action, I'm expecting that market will expand higher. Yes, brother. I'm 32 right now, but I'll be 33 very soon. It can be the microphone, or no, sorry, it's not the microphone. Actually, my voice is like little younger. Okay, I mean, still I keep the beard on my mouth. I mean, the beard, because my uh whoever are my junior, okay, like they call me by you. I mean, how can I say? In Bengali word, we have three meaning of you. One is apni. This is for elder people. One is tumi, which is the same as, and one is tui, which is actually the lower. I mean, the younger one. So the younger people actually call me tui because they think I'm the junior and my voice is little younger. Okay, it's not heavy. So yeah, nice DOB. Yeah, 9/11. That's my DOB. So 10 seconds left, I guess, for Nvidia. Let's see what is going to happen around 420. 3, 2, 1, 0. Nothing happened yet. I guess the earning. Okay, here. First it fall. Let's see. Okay, it fall. Then it fall, fall. Now it is going higher. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now is the part to take an entry. If it can make a fair value gap around that area, okay. If it is keep going higher, I have nothing to do. But if it can make a fair value gap, that is the part to take buy. Don't push the button, but I'm just telling you, okay? If it can make a fair value gap, any kind of fair value gap, small fair value gap, whatever, before taking that line, I'm gonna outline that buy. I don't think so. It will give me. It will give me. 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 Tell the wizard name. I want to know the wizard name. Okay. Boom. Tell me the wizard name. 1888.75 minus 1.5 standard deviation. Give me the wizard name. Yeah. I mean, I still appreciate the knowledge and here to learn, so doesn't matter to me. Thank you, brother. Classic takeout, sell side, and run higher. Absolutely, brother. But yeah, that was my target. 18888.75. It's done. Just done. And here, I would love to take a buy and that area. This is my buy. This is my stop loss. Just 13 handle. Okay, just 13 handle. If I wrong, I will be stopped out around that area. Oh, sorry, not 13 handle. Sorry. My mistake. I have to cover a little more, I guess, until here. Yeah. So 20 handle. That doesn't mean you are going to push your button. Please don't push your button, okay? It's for just fun. Just for fun. Please don't push your button. Hey, Jack T. Thanks for that boom, man. Made it to 18, 18889. Why did you add that 9, man? Just keep it 18888.75. Just keep it. So 20 handle stop loss for 48 handle profit. Let's see. Last Nvidia I got huge run. So in this Nvidia I would love to get that run as well. If it works or not, okay. Actually 18891, you are the wizard. I was kidding, brother. Thank you, Jack T, for boom. Golden John, thank you, man. Team, thank you. Malafu, thank you. How did you get that 1875 level? Lost Gotch, I have already show that to you guys around the morning session. That is the standard deviation minus 1.5 standard deviation. Okay, that is that. I am not convinced yet because a shallow run. I'm not convinced yet. That's why I am confident with that buy. Okay, that doesn't mean you are going to take the buy. Please don't do that. It's extremely risky. Don't do that. But because of this shallow run, I'm not confident yet that market has done its job. That's why I'm able to do that buy. As I told you, if it can make any kind of buy, sorry, fair value gap, that's my buying point until this high. Now, in that type of situation, market will go a little higher, but I will close around that area if it can reach over there. I just covered this last fair value gap from 1 minute chart, just covered that. How did you get the okay? I gave you the answer. Sorry, I muted you as I was making YOLO with an evil and passed it. Congratulations, brother. Kesh, boom. Thank you, Kesh, for that penguin, man. I love the penguin. Around 18700, 1800, nice run. Yeah, it was a nice run, but we are unable to catch that move. We are able to catch this move, so I believe that this move will work. I am still believing it will expand higher and it will take that high. Still I'm believing that. Okay, so give me 5 more minutes. Within 5 minutes it will reach over there, I believe. If I'm wrong, I'll be wrong. Don't push your button, that's my request. Just don't push your button. I'm not convinced yet by that running. I'm not convinced yet. So I would love to see market will reach higher and take that high one more time. I need to be convinced first by the market. The wizard should be convinced. How can you take buy over there, brother? You can't take the buy over here. I know that. I know that. Mm. So how much was the run? Let me check it. 199 handle run. Awesome, brother. Awesome. That was awesome. Boom, brother. Dangerous to push buttons. No, no, you can't push the button over here. You just can't do that. You just can't do that, okay? Simply you just can't push your button over here. That was my target. Let me close it. 18888.75. It hit. I'm happy. I'm just not convinced. So I would love to see if it work or not. It's extremely dangerous. I am not asking anyone to push the button. Instead of that, watch the market. Just watch it, enjoy it. If it doesn't work, I don't care because I'm not gonna push my button either way. Even if you are a top step trader, you are unable to push your button right now. You are just unable to do that. I was thinking market reversal starts because you told after 1888 you were thinking about reversal. Yeah, brother, the thing is market has already, okay, I got stopped out over here, so I'm going to remove it from my chart. It can start to reverse now because market has tapped to that area. That minus 1.5 standard deviation has been triggered already. Now market is going for this sell side liquidity. Write it down. Market is going for this sell side liquidity. As I got stopped out over here, I will take sell over there. This is my target on that area. Okay, this is going to be my target. When this candle close below this parallel gap, I will be in the market. Wherever it will close, I'll cover this whole candle and market is going for this sell side liquidity now. I believe like that way. No need to keep this one because it's not a trading time. You should not look for trade right now, but this sell side liquidity should be triggered now. As I told you, I was not convinced yet until price reached until that minus 1.5 standard deviation. Now when market has traded that 1.5 standard deviation, now I am convinced. Okay, now market can reverse for a longer term. Okay, it can reverse now. Still I have minus 2, minus 2.5. I would love to see if it really would love to fall from there or it wants to go higher, but in my opinion this high is enough. Minus 1.5 is enough for reversing. Okay, in my opinion it's enough. It's not a shallow run, brother. Team, it's not a shallow run. Okay, it is the standard deviation line. There is no other high. It's the all-time high. Now I'm going to mark it. It's the all-time high. Oh, by the way, before that, I would love to. Done. So this is now the all-time high, and yeah. Can you please show us again how you draw the standard deviation 1.5? For some reason, my chart shows different number. Why it should? So tomorrow, brother, are you still bullish or bearish bias? I will see that tomorrow, okay, brother. Right now, I'm not gonna uh, predict the price. I will see that tomorrow. This is your minus 1.5 standard deviation, minus 2 standard deviation. It can be one tick, it can be one tick here and there. It can be different, one tick. And this is minus 3, sorry, minus 2.5 standard deviation. I didn't mark minus 3. This is that 3 standard deviation. Okay, brother. Who was asking for that? Shujit, you were asking for that. Okay. By the way, I guess market will just close here. I mean, next tomorrow, this is my target. See this sell side liquidity? It's my target for tomorrow. So far, this low, all of this low, this is my target for tomorrow. Now, I believe that today market is not going to take this sell side liquidity. Still, if you take that entry over there to that fair value gap or whatever you take, if you just target until here, this rejection block, just here, you don't need to hold it here. 36 handle. Okay. When I took that buy, there was a 20 handle stop loss. If I get stopped out around that area, this last fair value gap just reversed. It closed over there. I will be in the market. I'll just cover this fair value gap. Now I'm just telling you the fact, okay? I don't need to hold it until there. 121 handle. No, I don't need it. I will just take my. I mean, I will close my trade around this rejection block. here to this rejection block. 36 handle, I'm already profitable. But still, tomorrow I will go for this sell side liquidity. Okay, so far that's my expectation. So Golden, is there any bullish PDRA in which one breaks to tell us 188 so top? What did you say? Is there any bullish PDRA? I don't read the premium and discount, brother, as well. Lot of things I don't do. Okay, just keep coming, you will understand. So guys, I'm the wizard. Don't forget about me, even if I'm not here in YouTube. Still, don't forget about me. Okay, this is the precision you are not going to get from anyone else. The market level, I talked about this level in Saturday, sorry, Sunday in my weekly analysis. Watch my weekly analysis, you will get that level. You don't need to catch that move. Okay, you don't need to catch that move, but still, this is called precision. I love that precision. Whatever, guys, I'm sorry to disturb you a lot today. I didn't want to continue this much, but yeah, I wanted to. Yeah, that's all. Okay, you are the wizard TTSMC trader. Thank you, brother. So I guess tomorrow around the London session, I'll come with gold again. I'm trying to catch the gold market. Still, I'm just struggling with gold market, but yeah, I'll be happy with that. Hey, Lynn, thanks. You're welcome. I guess you are new my channel as well. Lynn, I didn't see your name. So whatever. See you tomorrow, guys.